Вот граница вот по этой высоте располагается ледник сам. А сейчас она располагается уже здесь. Отступает ледник, уже дошел до сюда. Метров где-то 400 где-то будет.
I've joined a scientific expedition to study glaciers in Central Asian mountains in Kyrgyzstan. This region has some of the biggest glaciers in the world, and they're disappearing. Some of them are melting faster than others, depending on their terrain, orientation, and altitude.
As you can see, the ice here is already melting because this part of the glacier is under the direct sunlight, and as the average temperature rises, this glacier, this part of the glacier, melts quickly and it shrinks.
Over the past 50 years, ice caps of the Kyrgyz mountains lost about 16% of their area, and the melting rate is accelerating due to the warming of the atmosphere. The weather records show that after 1990, there was a dramatic increase of air temperature in central Tian Shan. And if the trend continues, even major glaciers will disappear soon.
This trend of glacier evolution is actually accelerating at a very worrisome pace, and this has been attributed quite unequivocally to human-caused climate change, so to pollution, to the carbon emissions which warm up the atmosphere. For example, Abramov Glacier in Kyrgyzstan, which is very big and very important, will take perhaps a century, perhaps a bit more, to disappear under the current pace of climate change.
The glaciologists set up stakes that will help to determine how much snow will melt in the future. This is how a newly installed pipe looks like. And this is a 2-year-old one.
Biz bu abülasyonlu reykаны 2019-жылы ушака тешип ичине киргизгенбиз. Бул өзү 4 метр 2 жылда 1 метр анча 40 сантиметр, 41 сантиметр эриптир. Бул эң үстүнкү абуляционный рейка да. Мындан ылдыйлаган сайын көптөн ери баштайт да.
Water shortages already fuel regional conflicts. Glaciers are a vital source of fresh water, and their melting will lead to catastrophic consequences. Back in the Tian Shan Mountains, we cautiously move up the slope. The altitude here is 4,400 meters above the sea level.
From here you can see the borderline where accumulation of snow stops and melting begins. Over there you can see the gray area. That's the melting zone. And where the white area starts, that's the beginning of the accumulation zone. And each year that borderline has been moving up because the glacier is retreating.
The scientists dig snow pits to calculate how much snow the glacier gained and lost over the year. If the result is negative, that means it is shrinking.
Biz акыркы 10 жылдан бери ошо мөңгүн изилдеп келатабыз. Бирок ошол 1-2 жыл позитивный болуп эсептелинди. Ана калган жылдар негативный эрип атат да. Азыр
The studies show that all glaciers in Kyrgyzstan, without exception, are getting thinner and smaller. And we don't have much time left before they will all be gone.